Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can change the genre of a song in Suno. In order to do so, here we are at Suno.com. And first thing we're going to look for is the create option here on the left-hand side. And then what we want to do is we want to find a song that we want to change the genre for. So I've got this one here, and I think this is a good one. I like the song, but I think it could feel a little bit different. So let's just give this a quick little listen.
I'm missing someone I've never known, like a ghost that's warm when it touches me. I feel you in the spaces between words, in the breath I take right before I fall asleep.
So that gives you an idea for the vibe of the song. It's not a bad song. I do quite like it, but we're going to go ahead and use this to create a different genre. So what we want to do is we want to create a cover. So we're going to go here to the left-hand side, and if we hover over this, you'll see where it says Remix Edit. We're going to click on that, and there you go. You can see the option that says Cover. So we're going to click on that. And then here on the left-hand side, you could see the audio of the original song, you could see the lyrics, and then you could see the styles. And this is where we want to update the genre. So what I'm going to do is I like the style on this song over here. So we're going to copy that, and we're going to paste it over in our song over here. And so we'll get a different flavor for how this song turns out. So let's go ahead then. Now that we've got our new styles in, we're going to go ahead and hit create. And then here you can see that we now are creating a cover for the song with the new style genre in there. So we're just going to give this a moment. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the original, which is quite good. I'm going to put this in our Discord channel. And if you'd like to join us on our Discord channel where you can get all this exclusive content, just check in the description of the link tree. You'll see a link there. You can join our Discord. We'd love to have you. Okay, so here we are over in the Discord. I'm just going to throw the original song in there, and I'm also going to throw the song with the updated style in it as well. So that is almost done. You can see how this is still swirling around. That gives an indication that it's still working, but you can listen to it while it's still working. So let's go ahead and do that.
I'm missing someone I've never known, like a ghost that's warm when it touches me. I feel you in the spaces between words, in the breath I take right before I fall asleep. You're the hum inside my skull, the sentence I almost write down, the name I almost say out loud, the color of air when I'm alone. I don't wanna finish loving you. I want this song to keep looping. So if tomorrow feels like yesterday, at least you're still playing. Take my hand, it's not magic, it's just skin that's learned how to wait. No savior, no ring, no white horse, just two idiots trying not to disappear.
So that's pretty awesome. Super dig the result on that. So we're going to go ahead and call that a winner. And I'm going to post that on the Discord as well. Let's go ahead and publish that and allow other people to check it out as well. So there we go. We'll throw that on the Discord. So if you want to hear the songs in their fullness, then check out the Discord in the description, and check us out over there. We'd love to have you. In addition to that, if you are looking for some more one-on-one training for Suno Music Mastery, we do offer 4 hours of intensive training for $200. We'll take you through Suno and teach you all about how it works, how you can get the most out of it. If you're somebody who wants that one-on-one, then we'd be happy to do that with you. And we also offer AI animation mastery training as well. So if you're looking for some hands-on training for AI animation to create your own videos, then we also do that, and we'd love to hear from you. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials, including our Discord and our top AI recommendations and promotions, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you gain an edge and be successful. In addition to that, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank, comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.